I just found this compressor online and it is Bedroom Comp MKII as it appears from ViatorDSP. This is their page or account on Patreon, so you could have access to their plugins, and I am interested on this one. I will test this too later, of course. It is a tube equalizer. So this compressor has two modes: VCA, Opto, on and off button, the other features, functions. So where am I using this? It is on chorus vocals, bass. They are mostly harmonics and they are there to support lead vocal on chorus.
Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Closer till you're kissable. Got.
So these are our vocals, as you heard, and I'm going to use optical mode on this Bedroom Comp MKII to compress them, level them, and make them tighter.
Keep me in your line of sight. Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze.
I don't want a lot of soft knee, so I'm turning left to hard knee a little bit. As you know, as you see, it's on 2 o'clock.
Keep me in your line.
Ratio is on 1 whatever. I can't see the numbers exactly where they are, so I'm just keeping it close to 2. Ratio 2 to 1. It is 1 to 1 point whatever to 1 as is now.
Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Closer till you're kissable. Got you in my heart's peripheral.
Because there are a lot of vocals, so I better keep attack high. It is on bass, it is for leveling and tightening up vocal, but we can't go so low because vocals will be suffocated in the mix.
Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Closer till you keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Closer till you're kissable. Got you in my heart's peripheral.
Amazing. This high pass filter helps me to control the amount of lower frequencies that I want to be processed. So I don't want lower than 128 or whatever you will choose to get into compressor to get compressed.
Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go.
So now let's make up the attenuated gain.
Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Closer till you're kissable. Got you in my heart. Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Closer till you're kissable. Got you in my heart's peripheral.
It has decent amount of warmth and body to it. It's great. It sounds lovely. It has great effect on higher frequencies like every optical compressor would have. It's different. I'm not saying it's exactly like, let's say, Teletronics LA2A or Summit Audio TLA100A. It's not like other tube compressors, it's a different one, but it has their quality and their personality.
Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Closer till you're kissable. Got.
It keeps everything in a fixed level, so the dynamic would be static and the audio is being heard pretty good. It's balanced. So let's check in the whole song.
Keep me in your line of sight.
Let's increase its volume.
Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Closer till you're kissable. Got you in my heart. Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Closer till you're kissable. Got you in. Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze. Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze.
It's suddenly musical and it sits in the mix. It's great. So the other option is VCA compressor, and the functions are the same. Let's go do leveling with VCA simulation.
Keep me in your.
The first thing that we see is the faster return to 0 dB gain reduction.
Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Closer till you're kissable. Got you in. Keep me in your line of. Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight.
Because VCA compressors are more sensitive to attack as the same attack. If we had two compressors, one optical and another one VCA, both on the same attack time, the VCA would catch transients faster and would have much more compression effect on it compared to optical compressor. So I'm increasing attack based on what I explained right now to have more transients pass this compressor.
Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Closer till you're kissed.
Threshold needs to be higher. In the negative amounts, the higher is actually the lower in mathematics. So when I'm saying I need higher threshold, doesn't mean engaging compressor more. I'm talking about engaging compressor less than before. The higher amount on negative is more towards positive numbers.
Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze. Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze. Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Closer till you're kissable. Got you in my heart's peripheral.
So I'm trying to keep that leveling audio target in mind, and I'm not going to increase the ratio than it was on optical compressor. Actually, I manipulated it. It might be a little bit lower or higher. I don't care. The point is, I'm trying to compare these two modes. Now, let's see how they differ on audio quality, on compression, on colors, and whatever there is to compare.
Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze. Keep me in your line of sight.
Let me fix this.
Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on.
Okay, the manipulation is reversed. So the optical is whatever I'm trying to understand now, the color, the compression type. After this, we are going to switch on VCA.
Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight.
Interesting. It has an amazing audio quality and behavior with audio. I will explain in a moment.
Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Closer till you're kissable. Got.
The optical compressor, as you may know, focuses on RMS compression, and it focuses on average amount of the audio level, and it keeps audio balanced between peaks and valleys. There is a balanced level. It tries to keep that with the settings that we set here. But the VCA, on the other hand, it's different. It has cleaner sound than optical one. It has more open sound. It has less obvious compression. It is hard to hear the compression in both of these models, these simulations with these settings. I'm not trying to say optical is compressing too obvious and it's annoying. I'm not trying to say that. They both are musical and performing amazing under 2:1 ratio. But VCA has opener sound and cleaner sound and wider sound. The optical one, on the other hand, has richer sound, has more balanced, and, as I said, averaged audio level. They both sound good, but in this specific case, I think VCA is much better.
Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight.
Because it returns faster to 0 dB gain reduction, it behaves with audio better, as I am hearing here. It keeps audio loose as it compresses it, and this loose audio is like this. When you compress something, but it still feels like uncompressed. You can't hear the compression. Audio is loose, but at the same time compressed. When it's loud on peaks, it tries to trim them, level them. It's actually not trimming, it's leveling. Ratio is not about 2:1. It's 1 point whatever to 1. So anywho, this compressor is amazing. I really enjoyed it. It's free, by the way. As you can see, it's free. And I showed you the website of this creator. Thank you, my friend. Your work is really good and your plugins are well designed. I will review more of your works later and I will show the world what an amazing job you have done. Well done. So the cases you can use this compressor is infinite. Wherever you like, for leveling, for compression, for tube worms. But if you are seeking optical compressors, specific audio quality and audio behavior, I will suggest the Opto mode. And if you are trying to do some leveling with unhearable audio artificial effect, you could use VCA with lower ratios, lower than 2:1. And the settings that we have here are sufficient for each and every mixing scenarios: knee, release, attack, gain, volume, high pass filter. Gain is pre-compression, volume is post-compression. You have a mix, big and silver knob. Everything is well considered for musical purposes. So that's it. I will use this compressor more often and will show you more audio examples to understand how it works. There is a lot to talk about with this compressor. It has a great personality and audio behavior. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.